Hello guys, I am in the location at Otokutu-Warri Road with Engineer Ambrose, who happens to be the CEO who fabricates concrete missiles and block molding machines. We want to talk about the nature of business they are into and what they stand to benefit. Hello guys, if you like what you see, give the videos a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Fabrication channel, and the director of
GBF Mammoth Technical Services Nigeria Limited.
GBS Technical Services Nigeria Limited. If you like what you are seeing, give the videos a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and equally come and patronize the Mammoth, because we are apt to showcase Nigeria to the world, Delta State to the world, and Otokutu-Warri to the world. If you like the video, subscribe and share so that other people can have access. You can see people are working in the workshop, fabricating missile concrete, missing machine and block molding machine in the factory. This company is situated in Otokutu Road. If you like this video, please always try to patronize the owner of this fabricating company. The company is a well-doing company. As you can see, we have a lot of missile concrete that have been molded already. They are already on ground, and the owner of the business is the company name, as you can see, is GBF Mammoth Technical. They are into welding and fabrication, hiring of concrete missile, focal vibrator, compactor, water pump, air compressor, etc., oil field services, and general invoices. Please always patronize the owner of this company. This is the CEO you are seeing here. Mammoth is the owner of this company. If you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up, because this fabrication work has gone international. As you can see, the workers are doing their work as it's supposed to be, and I believe after this video, more patronage will come from far and near, from within Warri Axis, Delta State, and even Nigeria. Others will be coming from Lagos and Abuja, because I believe this concrete missile is not something that is common in all over the country, but we have somebody that is doing it. As you can see, the owner, the concrete missile is very strong and effective. And if you have a need for one, maybe you want to start your own block industry, you can always come around to come and patronize. I will put the phone number of the director, Engineer Mammoth, on the YouTube page for you people to see. If you have need for concrete missile, we always come around. The place is sharing boundary with Plantation City, very close to Plantation City. As you can see, the other day I did a video concerning the cost of land, 100 by 100, and I got a lot of thumbs up from people all over the world, all over the YouTube community. They came to this place. They were calling me left and right. They want to know the situation where the land is situated. But now, the same location, I'm doing a short video concerning concrete missile. We have series of concrete missiles. I have different categories of concrete missiles here and there. So, sir, please, can you explain the name of each of these concrete missiles to us, so that your viewers can know what your machines are all about?
This is a block molding machine, which can produce 1 9 inches and 2 6 inches at a time. Then the concrete mixer. The concrete mixer, you can use it on concrete. You can use it to mix sand.
Okay. What about this other one?
That is the same concrete mixer.
The function of each of them. Like this one that is this new one. Are you people going to leave it like this, or when?
No, this is after this. After the fabrication.
You talk loud.
Just to use them. After spring. You now put engine here. Put the engine here. And the engine will not turn the mixer. So you will take it. As you rotate it. Then you can put it. Position for mixing. Then it's rotating. You can carry some or granite. Like this. Only engine, you can put engine, then you can carry it to the side. Go after That's all about it. Thank you.
It's okay, so you have heard from the director of Mamu's wedding and fabrication company. He spoke extensively about the functionalities of this fabrication machine and how you viewers right there out there, how you can stand to benefit from this concrete mixer machine. If you have any need for any one of these machines, you can always come to Plantation City. Plantation City is situated in Otokutu-Warri Road. This company is sharing a fence with Plantation City, and Plantation City is along Opete Road in Otokutu area of Ugale local government area near Warri. So if you have a need for any of these concrete mixer, you can always come. You meet the director. I will display his number on the screen. In the course of editing the video, we put his phone number there. If you have any need for solid and strong concrete mixer, you can always come to this place in Otokutu to come and get one for yourself. And for any construction company that is coming up in Warri, if you have any need for concrete mixer because you are building an estate, you can always come to this place to come and get a concrete mixer for yourself. If you like what you see, give my videos a thumbs up because we are out to promote entrepreneurs and businesses that are coming up in Warri houses, Otokutu houses, Delta State houses to the world. So if you like the video, give the videos a thumbs up and share to the YouTube communities all over the state, all over the country. Thank you. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So, Mr. Mamus, what do you have to say to viewers out there? Because as we speak now, they are watching you, despite the fact that they are not watching you directly, but by the time I put the content on the YouTube, they will be watching you.
Viewers all over the world. Engineer Ambrose, having a good is my name. They wanna try to come and patronize us when they do this work. This work, no way you carry this work book where you not go deliver. Like all those one imported, they imported and they destroy. But we take solid material to do this one to make sure say they deliver for you for site. Anywhere you carry a good in the world, deliver. So try, when I try to patronize us, we need our support to come and patronize us so that at the end of it, we can achieve the good. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Engineer Mamus. I believe with this content, this video will go to many places and people will be calling you, and I pray by God's grace, you will see that after today's video, your workshop will never be the same. There will be great improvement, and you will testify that after that video, I was getting calls from different places all over the world. And viewers, please try to patronize Engineer Mamu's workshop. The workshop is very close to Plantation City. It's just sharing fence by Plantation City. Thank you. Like my video, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment at the comment section below so that people will know that we are creating content. We are promoting Africans to the world, and we are promoting our entrepreneurs to the world. Thank you, and God bless you. That is Plantation City by the side. The building you have seen up there is Plantation City. This is very close to Plantation City. As you can see, this is the road that leads to Plantation City. And everybody, any person can come and patronize this concrete metal engineer Mamus. We have a lot of buildings springing up along the places everywhere. So, the interested, meet Mamus for this video. Thank you.